Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here we'll be working on a BMW guys 3 Series. This is the E90, E91, 92, 93 guys models. So it should cover guys the generation from year 2005 to 2013 3 Series BMW guys. What we'll show you guys what needs to be done to remove and replace intake manifold gasket. Stay with us, we will explain everything guys. Quick introduction to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make guys at least 200 free repair videos, and specifically on BMWs guys, we make more than 400 to 500 videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car on your own. Now, please guys subscribe to the channel and like the video. That's all we need in return. If you guys need to buy a new gasket, any parts, tools to work on your BMW, check out the link in the description of the video below and we'll share everything there guys for your convenience. Now, let me show you what we have here. I'm going to explain more about it. Okay, let me flip it this way so I can show you and we can talk about that. This is on the N52, N53 engine guys, so if you have the 6-cylinder engine, video should be super helpful. This should cover guys 323, 325, 328, 330, and it may even help you on some 335s, but I'm not quite sure about the 335s guys 100%. So this is guys the intake manifold. Okay, intake manifold, it bolts to the cylinder head guys. This is your engine here without it. You can see, and the gasket actually contacts, okay, we have everything covered, not to drop anything right here. You can see this is bank 1, the first 3 cylinders, bank 2 is the second 2 cylinders, the second set of 3 cylinders, excuse me. So bank 1 is cylinder 1, 2, 3, and bank 2 is cylinder number 4, 5, 6. And this is guys the intake manifold, okay, the whole intake manifold. The gasket itself, okay, it's super easy gasket to replace once you remove the intake manifold. It will take quite a bit of work to remove that intake manifold. It's not as easy as you think. We'll get a small screwdriver and pull one of the gaskets out. I'll show you guys how to do that. We'll show you how to do that, but all of them are the same way. It will be just a little bit of work to actually go ahead, okay, and remove the intake manifold. Now check it out, this gasket will be practically guys, okay, it will be practically like plastic guys. It will be really hard gasket. It's pretty much burnt here, so we'll see if we can pull that gasket out guys, okay, and show you what it looks like. So we got actually the knife guys, so we can pull it out. Let us show you guys how deep that gasket is and how deep it goes, but ours is flat, okay, so definitely needs to be replaced guys, but definitely okay, it's coming out. Need to clean all the oil before you install the new one. Everything needs to be clean, make sure you don't have dust accumulation, anything like that. So now if you guys want to see how to remove the intake, we have the video on the channel, check it out. Well, I'll try to post the link in the description of the video below, but if you cannot find it for some reason, just try to find BMW E90 N52 engine or 325 BMW intake manifold removal replacement, and we'll have the video on the channel guys. It will explain everything from start to finish how to do it. If you need to buy a new gasket, we'll have the link in the description of the video below as well. It will be shared there for your convenience guys. Check it out. When you get the new gasket, you just clean everything really good, and practically you're just going to be ready to push it in. And later we'll have the torque specs and all that on the channel as well. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.